Yet another magnum opus for Kamal Haasan and Mani Ratnam, and there you have Thug Life that has been released in Tamil Nadu and across the globe on 5th of June. When it comes to Kamal Haasan, there is no just one magnum opus, it is one after the other, and this is also a very important movie considering Mani Ratnam and Kamal Haasan have to come together after a long time. That is Nayagan, Kamal Haasan and Abhirami after Virumandi, and Simbu and Trisha after Vinay Tandi Varvaya. So the hopes for this particular movie in entertainment is really high, and that's the reason like fans have gathered over here for the movie. Unfortunately, this movie, just like every other Kamal Haasan's movie, is also wrapped in controversy after his comments about Kannada and Tamil. And so far, Kamal Haasan, being Kamal Haasan, has not commented on it. He, like, even though it went up to the court level and the court, even many people asked for his apology, Kamal very clearly said that whatever he said was out of love and it was misunderstood. And he says that love will not apologize. In fact, he went ahead and in the court of Karnataka itself, High Court of Karnataka, he said that art can wait, release can wait, and that way the movie is not going to be unfortunately released in Karnataka, but otherwise it's a global release. This stars Kamal Haasan, Simbu, Trisha, directed by Mani Ratnam, and the hopes are really high for the movie to be a massive entertainer. And the fans are here just like any other Kamal Haasan movie. On one side you have excitement and the other side we have controversy. However, fans are here for the first show. How do you, what are you expecting from this movie now?
See, Kamal Haasan and Mani Ratnam are joining after 37 years. So, Nayagan was super duper hit. So, we are expecting more than that thing. And Kamal Haasan, Mani Ratnam and A.R. Rahman. It's an amazing combination. So, our expectation is so much, I'm sure it will be super duper hit.
I'm going to ask you about certain kind of things. You know, considering Kamal Haasan, always there is controversy. Some things also surrounding it. Would you like to say anything about it?
No, what I like to say is Kamal Haasan is the legendary, and all the four legendaries are combined to one setup, coming together, and I think this will be the greatest hit of everything.
Magnum opus.
Yeah, opus.
What do you want to say about it?
I'm really excited to watch the movie. Yeah.
What about the combination of...
That's why I'm here actually for the first day first show.
someone is running away from this crowd, but you're a new generation. Come this way, come this way. So like, what do you like, what are you like expecting from this movie?
Expecting anything.
You're not expecting anything. You're like Buddha now.
If I expect, I'll not get it.
You get?
I'll not get it.
So you just come here to plainly watch the movie.
Yeah.
Do you, huh.
For the first day, first show. So, she is so excited about first day, first show.
She is my daughter. This is the first time and first show she is attending. So she is very excited.
Any of you want to say something about how Kamal Haasan's movie is always mirrored with controversy? Do you think it is actually affecting the movie or just a political thing?
No.
See, Kamal Haasan is always like, foresee things and direct the movie. So maybe the current generation may not accept, but later if you see, it will be an amazing movie. Always it's like that. Whatever movie he has taken. So I'm sure Thug Life also is like that. It is not for controversy or political reason. Kamal Haasan is a legend, and he'll do that. He'll have that trend always.
To say like how every movie of Kamal Haasan, it takes almost 10 years to understand.
Understand the movie exactly. If you see Vikram, you will realize, oh, what a movie that time. But maybe that time you wouldn't realize. Hey Ram, yeah, everything. Guna,
futuristic.
everything is futuristic. But it'll be like amazing picture later. You will realize that.
He is the talented artist. Yeah. To the world, they can say easily, because his features and acting skills and all, no, amazing to amazing.
Incomparable Kamal Haasan. So here you see what exactly happens when a movie is released for Kamal Haasan. It's about the artistry, about the techniques, and about the script that plays a very important role more than stardom. So that's why the whole crowd is over here. Different generations together. The younger generation just come for FTFS, but the older generation, knowing what's the importance of Kamal Haasan, Mani Ratnam and others, they have come over here at Satyam Theatre. With Divyan, Pramod Madhav, for India Today.